smells a bit festive. It smells a bit cinnamony and like orange. Definitely smells Christmassy. I like it. Look, what is that? What is that amazing mascara? Just benefit of just smashed it once again. It's definitely my new favourite mascara. So this is the final look that I've got for you today. I'm actually quite happy with quite a lot of the products that I use. So I'm just going to go through some of the ones I use and what I feel my thoughts on them. So the first one is this amazing, wonderful, brilliant mascara by Benefit. They have smashed it again, in my opinion. They do the best mascara out there, and I challenge anybody to find and prove that there is one out there better. That's just my opinion, obviously. My favourite is actually the Roller Lash, and I bought this in the Black Friday sales of ASOS, and it was from £21.50, and I think it was down to £18, and then I got an extra 20% off it, so it cost me £14.40. £14.40 for that. Absolute bargain. It's probably like my biggest bargain that I got on Black Friday, and I'm absolutely stoked with it. Next product I wanted to talk to you about was the NYX Machinist lip gloss in the shade Ignite. The colour of it is absolutely amazing, but the only thing is I'm not a big fan of the gloss. I really wish that this was matte, because it's such a stunning colour. So I might have to go out and find one this colour but in a matte. It feels, even now it feels really quite wet on my lips, but it doesn't feel sticky, which is what I love, and I think that's what kind of puts me off lip gloss, is because you find that most lip glosses, they have that sticky feeling to your lips, but this one actually doesn't, which I was quite surprised about, so that is a plus. Both of the eyeshadow palettes that I used, and the first is, they're both BH Cosmetics. The first one is the Weekend Festival. Not bad. I think there was a colour a shade I used on it I didn't find blended very well, and that's that shade down the bottom. I only used 2 shades out of this palette, and that was the Hipster and the Trixie, which I used as like a highlight for the inner corners of the eyes, and I think I put a bit on the brow bone. But the Hipster one, I didn't find it blended brilliantly. I think I did get it to blend in the end, but it took a bit of going. So I'm definitely intrigued to use a bit more out of that palette, because the colours are so nice. The second one that I used was the Solar Flare palette, with all those amazing metallic shades in there. 10 out of 10, absolute 10 out of 10 for that palette. I used the, I've got to remember, I used the Impact Colour Beam as well I used, and the other one was the Chromosphere, however you pronounce that. All 3 of them, and I literally went from outer corner to the inner corner, and then in the middle as well on the 3 colours, and 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the eye look that I've gone for, and they applied so easy as well. I find sometimes you have to spray your brush with maybe a bit of like setting spray, just to be able to get the colour to transfer more pigmented in a deeper application, but all I did was dip the brush in a little bit and apply, and it was amazing. And then the final product I think I just wanted to go over, I seem to have missed, oh no, there it is. It's the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is in the shade 02, and it's natural. Thoughts on this? Pretty bloody nice, gotta admit. I'm really fussy with my foundations, because I've got one of those awkward skin types that foundations, they'll take to it or they won't, pretty much, and a lot of foundations don't really take to my skin very well. And I'm actually really quite impressed with this one. I love the way that it looks. I think I've matched the colour pretty well, considering I bought it off the internet. Only thing is that I can see my face starting to shine around this area here, and I don't know if you've noticed, I don't actually have any highlight on my face, because I'm going to do that in another video. So any shine that you can see, especially along the T-zone here, is pretty much just the foundation, and that's a big thing for me, but I do love how it looks on the skin, which is probably why I will be using it again. And I do get quite dark circles under my eyes, so I have put some other concealer on top of it as well, because I didn't find that it really covered my dark circles enough for my liking. It did a good job, but just not quite good enough. But I did definitely thumbs up for this foundation. I did actually quite enjoy using it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing another video straight after this on some products that I have been buying lately, and in that there's a highlight that I really want to try out, so I'm going to try that out in the next video. So if you are enjoying my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and also please give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help, and any comments or questions, please just ask that just down below in the comment section. Also head over to my Instagram, which is Holly, that's spelt with an IE, .rutter, and also follow me on my Twitter account, which is Holly_makeup. Until next time guys, take care.